In this short tutorial, you'll learn how to turn off Face ID for your wallet. Face ID is a fantastic feature that allows you to unlock your wallet with just a glance. However, there may be situations where you prefer not to use this feature. Thankfully, disabling Face ID for your wallet is quite simple. To get started, open up the Settings app on your iPhone and then scroll down until you see an option called Face ID and Passcode. Once you've found it, tap on it. And then enter the passcode that you used to unlock your iPhone. Once you've done that, it will show you this page. All you have to do next is simply toggle off the switch next to Wallet and Apple Pay. And now you don't need Face ID for your wallet or Apple Pay. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.